If you want to make insane, life-changing money in 2021, then here are the altcoins that might be able to make that happen for you. Well, Bitcoin is obviously going to have a great year. It is actually speculation on low cap altcoins that is going to make the just incredible, insane returns for investors, especially the hot, new, trending coins. In this video, I will share 5 coins that I am personally invested in and I believe will provide massive returns for investors during this bull run. My name is Lark, and this is where you subscribe for all of the hottest and all of the latest happening out here in the crazy markets. Also, for all of the traders out there, you can get up to a $120 Bitcoin trading bonus over on Femex. This is the top exchange for longing and shorting Bitcoin and Ethereum and Chainlink, Cardano, and other top cryptocurrencies. They also offer zero fee spot trading. And by using the link down below in the description to sign up, you can actually get a $100 deposit bonus instead of the usual $60 deposit bonus. Plus, there are 2 other $10 bonuses for making your first trades. And as an extra bonus for using that link to sign up, you will also get 10% off of your fees, which is a pretty gosh darn sweet deal. So do check it out if you are a trader. Now, before I jump into the coins, obviously, this is just a short overview. This should not be a replacement for doing your own research. You still need to get out there, do the hard work, research these coins a little bit. And of course, you need to understand as well that you will still need to practice good risk management strategies. So that's appropriate position sizing. So don't go 100% in on any of these coins, right? 2, 3, 4% of your portfolio. That's going to be plenty for any of this stuff. And be well disciplined in taking your profits when you see these coins starting to move. With that being said, let's get this. The first coin I want to talk about is Injective Protocol, which I know does not have the smallest market cap right now. It did when I first started talking about it, but it's been having a lot of action recently. But I think that out of any decentralized exchange out there, that Injective Protocol actually has what it takes to hit unicorn status, so $1 billion plus market cap and beyond. The only exception, obviously, Uniswap. That will definitely be a multi-billion-dollar market cap coin in the near future, but Injective has a way smaller market cap. Anyway, just what the heck is Injective anyway? Well, it is a layer 2 decentralized exchange that is going to be bringing in a wide range of different derivative products. Now, at the moment, Injective is on testnet. That's been getting a lot of excitement from people. The testnet has been just getting some really great results. Been adding all kinds of products and derivatives and all kinds of fun stuff in there. So it's been really going well, creating a lot of buzz. Injective will also have 0 gas fees on the mainnet when it goes live, and it'll be super high speed. Now, it's a big difference over most of the decentralized exchanges that people are using these days, which are both slow and expensive. Perpetual swaps and derivatives are also some of the most popular products out on the market for traders, so this is a perfect niche to be tapping into. The INJ token is a governance token with burn functions, thus ensuring a long-term token velocity for holders. When the mainnet comes out in 2021, I think this will end up being a very big deal. The second coin to be watching is Kylan. Now, this is a new Oracle play for the Polkadot ecosystem. They even received a grant from the Web3 Foundation, which for any Polkadot related projects is kind of like, a real big tip of the hat sort of nod of approval kind of thing. We all know how much hype there has been around oracles and around Polkadot over the last year. Well, this is a crypto that's tapping into both of those trends. It's a Polkadot-based oracle. But beyond the hype, Kylan will also be delivering some serious technology. Yes, there will be data oracles, but it will go beyond that. There will also be advanced data analytics, as well as a data marketplace. The token will be required to be staked by miners, as well as needing to be used to pay for data in the marketplace, and also will be a governance token. Now, it is worth noting that the mainnet is not scheduled until Q3 of 2021, so that's a long ways away. There will be a testnet coming in Q1. Now, I know that Chainlink dominates the market when it comes to oracles, but there is a lot of opportunity for gains for competitors, and the right team is going to be able to cut out its own little slice of market share here. Kylan is one such Oracle provider that may be able to do that. So the token should be coming to the market pretty soon, so do keep an eye out for it. Now, another one to keep an eye on, just as a quick honorable mention, is API3. So if you're looking for another Oracle provider that is on the market right now, that's one to check out. The third coin on the list is Terra Virtua. So if you are bullish on NFTs, then this is one to be bullish on, in my opinion. Terra Virtua is a fully interactive VR platform working with some truly mega brands. NFTs, as you know, are super, super hot. Unique digital collectibles are already selling for tens or even sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yeah, it's true. That's really happening. Terra is taking NFT technology to the next level by mixing in hot brands, blockchain technology, as well as AR and VR tech. So they're working with brands like Paramount and Legendary. They have access to these just mega franchises via those relationships to things like Batman, the Avengers. So imagine getting a rare Batman NFT that you can uniquely own, buy, sell, or trade out on the open market. Then, of course, if you're just keeping that, you can also go and see your Batman NFT in your NFT cave, which is kind of like a virtual crib for gamers sort of thing. As we all know, movie collectibles are super, super hot. They have been for a very long time. This is the logical evolution of that world, taking movie collectibles into the digital realm. The potential for brands to do things like issue tokens around film releases, for example, that'll be a big deal. The token will bring in all kinds of cool benefits too, from rewards to discounts and to early access to new offerings. NFTs, they've been the second biggest trend in 2020 after DeFi. I think this trend is going to continue to develop and grow, so definitely something to keep an eye on. The fourth coin on the list today is PowerTrade. Now, this is a very small market cap coin. It's not been getting a lot of attention since its token sale. PowerTrade, it is a Bitcoin options trading platform. Now, their idea is kind of to be a Robinhood-like user experience, but for crypto traders. Basically lowering the barriers, taking a mobile-first approach for options traders. And actually, they will not just stay with Bitcoin. They're going to be bringing a lot of other cryptos as well. So lots of options for the options traders out there, right? But this one has some seriously big backers. They got Pantera, they have the founders of like CoinGecko and Synthetics, all of that giving this project a lot of weight and seriousness behind it. For such a low market cap coin, it's really an anomaly. The public release is most likely coming in January. Right now, everybody's kind of still sleeping on this coin. I have been holding this one since the token sale. I think that when the platform goes live, we could actually see some really big gains happening for it, especially if the platform can actually become popular. The options market is already massive, especially for Bitcoin. Options trading platform Hedgic, for comparison, hit a market cap high of around $90 million not so long ago. So if PowerTrade could even get to just that small goal, that's like a 30x move from the current price to hit the same cap. That's an incredible gain. I think the only reason this coin hasn't really moved much yet is because there hasn't been so much of a marketing push from the team, since they're still just busy building their product. I expect this to change when we see the product actually launching. So one to keep an eye on. And the final coin on the list today is APY.Finance. This is a yield farming robo-advisor, which is aiming to lower the barrier to entry, time commitment, and cost for DeFi users by allowing them to earn really good yields with minimum fuss. So the platform handles basically the work of finding you the best yields depending on your risk tolerance levels. Now you might think, hey, that kind of sounds a lot like why. And yes, there are indeed some strong similarities between these two products. And while it fulfills a similar function to the market leader YFI, it does actually have 1/400th of the market cap. So there's a lot of potential here for this. It's backed by Alameda Research and Arrington Capital. So again, that's some really big VCs behind this. The market for simplifying DeFi and for simplifying yield farming, it's obviously a big one. YFI has proved that. They're not going to take all of the pie. And while YFI has the first mover advantage, we're still so early that there's a lot of room for competition, a lot of room for those competitors to get even small percentages of market share. And even a small percentage of the market share would see a big gain for APY. So this is another one of those ones that's not really seeing a lot of love from the market post their token sale because the team is in building mode right now. The first release of the product should be coming in like the next month or two, so watch out for that announcement when it does come. Anyway, those are the projects that I invested in that I think have a good chance to see some big gains. There's lots of others. I'll have to make a few more low-cap altcoin videos in the next coming months, but what about you? Do you agree with my list, or are there some other coins that you think investors should be watching out for? I would love to know what low-cap altcoins you're buying or you're interested in buying. Basically, show us your favorite low-cap altcoin down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.